I once knew a developer who built a system so complex it was effectively a masterpiece. But one morning, he woke up to find the entire thing had crashed. A total system failure. He didn't panic. He didn't quit. He did something that most of us are taught is the definition of weakness. He just sat there in the dark and felt the weight of the failure. He realized something that changed everything. Failure isn't an end state, it's an error log. We have all been there, haven't we? That moment when you are staring at a blank screen or an empty inbox or a career path that seems to have hit a dead end. And you think to yourself, this is it? I have reached the limit of my potential. But here is the irony that feeling of being defeated, it's actually the most precise piece of data you will ever receive. It's your subconscious signaling a system update. When you feel like a victim of your circumstances, you are looking at the wrong interface. You are staring at the closed doors, the broken code, the missed deadlines. But look closer. If you are still in this game, if you are still feeling that frustration, it means the system is still alive. It means there is still bandwidth for a pivot. The secret isn't the finding a way to not fail. It is in how you execute the reboot. So here is my question for you. Are you going to let error sit there, paralyzing your entire operation? Or are you going to analyze it, patch it, and deploy a better version of yourself? Because the world does not reward those who never crash. It rewards those who know how to rebuild. Think about that. I am Tasneem and we are just getting started.